Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for our A/B testing AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the A/B testing AI online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address abtesting.ai and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed over here, which is the home page of A/B testing. And from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login and the sign up button available for us. In order to register an account on the A/B testing, simply click on the sign up free button first. And over here guys, you can see you will be required to enter your email address and your password over here in order to proceed with your A/B testing AI account sign up. So let's do that. Let's enter our email address over here, and after that enter your password. And guys, this is not a login password. This password we'll be using to create a A/B testing AI, but this will be the password you will log in using. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on this button where it says that I agree to the terms and service of the privacy policy of A/B testing, and simply click on the create account button. And on the next step, you'll be required to verify and customize the A/B testing app for your website or your blogs, anything. And with that being said guys, after you click on create, verify yourself, customize your A/B testing AI for what purpose you're using, and then you will be able to use the A/B testing AI with ease on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for an A/B testing AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.